Yeah. I don't get no fuck. Yeah, fuck, this is my last day. I don't get no fuck about nothing. Nathan. Turn on. This is my last day. Fuck. I don't even get, look. First off, that's how you know they don't get no damn body. That say devil on prime. I am finished. We do not be doing them false flags over here. I can take it. Just in box.
Oh yeah, box this.
What? Hold on, man. Hold on, man. Listen, I know we started off on the wrong foot. Don't you? You know how they say, the miracles built